So, guys, I want to talk about my first cousin. Someone is my first cousin. Is it true? My contractual marriage. This marriage, right? We need it, right, to legitimize my trust work and our documentation. So there should be there's the terms and condition in the contract or the prenup agreement should be given a copy for me to a draft copy for me to verify it and to confirm it so we wouldn't have any misunderstanding about the contract that I'm entering with my contractual husband. It's for the trust, right? It's not the real marriage. It's just to formalize our documents. Because of the situation I'm in, I need to have a formalized documents through my partner who is American. Okay, because my birth certificate does not stated that I'm American or anything, right? I'm registered as Malaysian. So basically, I need a husband, contractual husband. Okay, so the marriage is for it's not the it's not a real marriage. It's a contract meant to help me out with my trust work. So you are actually doing your country a favor, doing our entire world a favor, and me a favor, so that I can establish my trust work legitimately by having American citizenship through the contract marriage. Upon the expiry, I'll say, of the contract, once everything has been executed, there will be a sum of compensation that will be given to you. Just like when I was handling the trust work for with all the mediation and negotiation with Charlie Munger, right, and Miss Karen Hudens, they actually located to me my salary, okay, and also other benefits. But unfortunately, it was stolen. Okay, we have to go through the court case to claw it back, and I was also rewarded with a very good reward. So I hope the same can be given to you if you are agreeable to get into the contractual marriage. Okay, it's not it's not really a marriage, right? Like the real marriage that we're talking about, like a real marriage, like we see uh Jeff Bezos and his wife Lauren Sanchez. No, not that kind. My my one is purely business. Okay, it's meant to secure our trust. It's meant to validate my documents, so that once I have that, right, my trust lawyer will able to um, validate the documents that they need to validate in US or in any part of the world, okay, per se. So our contract, right, is not really a marriage, you know. I just hope you understand that it's a business arrangement. It's a something that I needed, but previously they done that wrongly because there were no consensus given uh, from my end. They done it through like sort of like secrecy, right? They did not get it done properly. through consent of the person that actually the name that will appear on the paper. So on the paperwork or the marriage certificate, so we can't actually say we want to enter into a marital status like a marriage marriage cert without having the consent of both parties. So if there's any terms and condition in the prenuptial agreement, you guys should send it to me so we don't have any dispute later on. At least I have a clear idea what is going to be uh, contractually binded to him and to me. Okay, so in that sense that nobody will argue in the later stage saying that he got cheated out, or got cheated out of this contract, you know. So if we agreeable to sign something that are beneficial for both parties and also for many stakeholders, countries involved, so I think we should do it in a proper manner. It's just that I couldn't be present at the probate court, so I will get my trust attorney to represent me because they are my trusted and appointed litigant and attorney law firm. Okay, so they will be able to conduct that for me, but provided I must know what I sign up for, because I don't want that I feel cheated out of a contract that I don't know about, you know. So I must know what am I signing up for, right? So just like you what are you signing up for? You would be able to see the contract, what's the contract is about. So that's what I want you guys to do. Send me the draft. I will verify if any clauses I'm not agreeable to it. I will write it back to you. You know, just like how we usually would verify the tenancy agreement. If the clauses is not agreeable, we will, communicate with our lawyers about it. So I think it's the same thing with the contractual agreement. This is for marital contract, or we can say it's a prenuptial agreement. Then is everything's okay, we'll proceed with it. I hope this message will help for my lawyer. Hope you guys can look into this contractual marriage issues. Okay, all right, thanks.